All right, so today's video is different from the norm, but this video is important to me because on a Sunday morning, I pretty much wanted to make this video to say thank you to my 58 subscribers. Yes, it's a brand new channel, but I've decided to be consistent. So why did I want to make this video? Again, is to just say thank you to my 58 subscribers and hope that we together grow to be a huge channel. What is this video about? Those of you that know me know that I actually eat very healthy and I love eating healthy. And I've been doing this ever since my freshman year, no, and then my beginning of my sophomore year, in college. I eat a lot of eggs, egg whites, eggs. I just love eating eggs, and to me, it had made a difference in my eating healthy habit. So this is an example of how you are guaranteed results to making a very successful, impressive, fluffy scrambled eggs. You will see once I finish the video that the cover of the video is a sample picture of me, of my breakfast that I made, so you can actually see the proof in the pudding. What do you do to guarantee a fluffy scrambled eggs for breakfast? You can make it for yourself, your significant other, or anyone you choose to. This is how I make it. And like I said, it's really simple. And all you need to do is do one thing right. The rest you can do whatever else you want, but do one thing right and you'll have a successful, best, fluffiest scrambled eggs you ever had, period. So let's say you take 4 eggs, crack them in a bowl, really that simple. Take a fork on one hand, take the eggs on the other hand, and then if you want to, this is not necessary, but if you want to, you can take a heavy cream from Publix. That's just a supermarket here in Florida, Giants, and so in New York or Maryland. You can take just one tablespoon of heavy cream and add it to your eggs that you just cracked into a bowl. Take a fork, scramble the eggs really, really good. Scramble them really, really good. Once you finish scrambling them, this is the trick. Everything I said before could be done any way you want except the following statement. Make sure you rest the eggs somewhere for 8 minutes. 8 minutes. You could do 10 minutes if you want, but at least 8 minutes. Rest the eggs for 8 minutes, 10 minutes if you like. Because what happens is when you beat up the egg to scramble them, they actually have bubbles. This is when the science comes into play. When you let it rest for 8 minutes to 10 minutes, 8 is enough, the bubbles will pop. Those bubbles popping is going to be the exact result that guarantees you 100% the fluffiest eggs, like a professional made eggs at a high-end restaurant. I guarantee this. Beat them, scramble them very well. Let them sit for 8 minutes. 10 minutes is fine, but at least 8 minutes. Remember that. Once you do that, what I do is normally get a non-stick pot. I use either organic butter, a little bit, just to coat the pan. Or I use olive oil or coconut oil. All of them are organic oil. Then I just heat it up and I'll pour the content in it and use like a wooden spatula so it doesn't scrape the bottom of the pot. Once you do that, you will guarantee to have this fluffiest eggs. I promise you, try it and you will see. And you're going to see a picture of it on the screen as the click or the link to this video. What I do after that, remember this, my next points have nothing to do with the scramble. You already achieved the fluffiest eggs. But the way I eat, let's say I have that on the side, 4 eggs, fluffiest waiting for me. I take 1 banana, chop it by like a ½ inch different gaps. Or I'll have a handful of blueberries, or I'll have a handful of honeydew melon, put it aside, and then I take a green tea, obviously boil the water, and then have the green tea. And then you have to, if you want to, this is what I do. I'll add a pinch of turmeric, and when you pinch a turmeric into the tea, just add a dash of black pepper. The black pepper triggers the efficiency of the turmeric. You have to add a small drop of black pepper in the tea with the turmeric. Once you do that, sometimes I add a half a lemon, squeeze half a lemon, and then 1 tablespoon of honey. I promise you guys, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a superstar's breakfast. Healthy, good for you, and you really, if you do that, let me know. I look forward to hearing from you, but it is one thing I would guarantee the results. Do it as I told you. The trick is to let the egg sit for 8 minutes. And after the air bubbles pop, you're going to have the fluffiest scrambled eggs you ever had, or you would only have at a professional restaurant. Thank you for being a subscriber. Like I said, this is for my 58 first subscribers. I hope many more to come. Thank you. Appreciate you. Happy Sunday. Enjoy. God bless you.